Welcome to DriveVerse, where the future roars in silence. Today, we unveil a machine that doesn't just defy physics, it reprograms it. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Terzo Millennio, a self-healing, AI-powered, fully electric hypercar concept designed not for the next generation, but the next dimension. The design is pure science fiction, brought to life. Terzo Millennio means third millennium in Italian, and it looks exactly that. The body is sculpted from carbon nanofiber, designed to be ultra-light, yet capable of self-healing minor cracks with built-in micro-channels. Its stance is low, wide, and aggressive. Sharp edges, air tunnels, Y-shaped LED signatures. It doesn't look like a car. It looks like a fighter jet, without wings. Forget V12. Forget hybrid. This Lambo is fully electric, with a motor at each wheel, allowing for individual torque vectoring at an AI-optimized level. The total output, unofficially estimated at over 1200 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2.5 seconds, and all without a single drop of fuel. What powers it? Not just batteries. Lamborghini is developing supercapacitors, lighter, faster charging, and longer lasting than traditional lithium cells. It's a supercar that charges in minutes, and unleashes in seconds. The most radical part, the car thinks for itself. The Terzo Millennio uses AI to learn from your driving style, your environment, and even traffic. It adapts suspension in real time, adjusts torque individually at each wheel, and it can even detect potential component failure before it happens. This isn't just smart driving. It's predictive, autonomous, and assistive, designed to make humans better drivers, not replace them. Step inside, and the future continues. The cockpit is minimalist, driver-focused, and deeply immersive. AR windshield, gesture-based controls, programmable racing HUDs, and seats sculpted like a fighter pilot's. The cabin doesn't just show information. It syncs with your body, your eyes, even your heartbeat. In racing mode, it tracks G-forces, brake pressure, and cornering lines. In cruise mode, it becomes a silent AI co-pilot. One of the boldest innovations. Self-repairing bodywork. Tiny cracks in the carbon shell activate micro-channels filled with healing agents, sealing damage before it grows. Lamborghini calls it biological resilience in mechanical form. It's as if the car has a nervous system and knows how to heal itself. Worried it's too quiet? Think again. Lamborghini's engineers created an artificial sound signature, tuned to mimic jet engines and electric fury, designed for emotion, not noise pollution. You feel the sound through the seat, through your spine, not just your ears. This is performance for the senses, in a world beyond combustion. So, is the 2026 Lamborghini Terzo Millennio the future? Yes, it doesn't just run on electricity, it runs on imagination. It's not just fast, it's alive, with AI, self-healing materials, and next-gen power. It may still be a concept, but it's the blueprint for every hypercar that comes next. Thanks for watching DriveVerse, where we don't just review cars, we drive tomorrow. Drive future. Drive Lamborghini. DriveVerse.